In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix TCL TV connected but no Wi-Fi. So the first thing I had to do was that I had to go to the settings wheel right here. As you can see up top here, the settings wheel, so click on it. And now in here we're going to scroll down until you can see system. So click on system, then scroll down in here and click on date and time, as you can see. So if you have this option right here where it says automatic date and time, make sure that you have this one set to auto synchronization. If it was set to off before, just set it to auto right here. But if you're not able to, for some reason, set to auto synchronization, what you can also do is to make sure that your date right here is manually set correct, and the time as well, by the way. For some reason, if any of this right here is completely off, your Wi-Fi will not work. Like, you will see that you're connected, but there's like no signal, or you're not able to do anything when it comes to Wi-Fi on your TV. I honestly don't know why that is, but there is something with it. I guess that it has to sync correctly to be able to work correctly even with the Wi-Fi, I guess. So try this and hopefully it's going to be able to fix this problem for you as well.